Well, hey friends, it's Solo Girl Bliss here, aka Mary, and I'm here to show you a little unboxing today. My Thrive box came, and I'm super excited. It's my first time ordering, so unpack with me. Let's go. So before we start unboxing, some of you might be wondering, well, what the heck is Thrive Market? So by the way, this is not sponsored. This is just me sharing with you. And so I usually order organic, locally sourced fruits and vegetables from Neighborhood Harvest, which is a local delivery service here in my town. And I also go to Trader Joe's, of course, Aldi. I supplement things, my grocery list as much as possible with Aldi and Lidl because they're very economically priced, and you can find some great organic options there. But then I discovered Thrive Market. So I happened to see this on Instagram and I thought, well, why don't I try it? And so this is my first box. So this is more so like things for your pantry. They have a whole host of organic, Whole Food 30, however you say it, vegan, paleo, I need to pronounce these things. So anyways, they have a whole bunch of categories that you can choose from. I mainly just choose from the organic section, and it throws up a whole host of things that I run out of, like coconut flour to bake things, or vitamin supplements, essential oils they even have on there, organic elderberry syrup. So let's unbox now so we can see all those goodies. All right, so here we go. And when I first open it up, it's what's on the inside that counts. I totally agree with that. And oh, this is pretty cool. Check this out. Packed with love by, and then whoever signed their name. Oh, I can't read that name, but thank you whoever signed your name. I appreciate you packing my box with love. All right, so let's see what I got. Woo! Yes! All the wrappings. Okay. So let's see. All right, cool. My coconut oil. Can I get it out of the package with one hand? That's the tricky thing about filming and doing something at the same time. But I might just have to just take it out. So the first thing I got was the coconut oil. So again, organic. And this was a teeny bit pricier than Aldi because I'm used to paying $3.99. I think I paid $7.99. However, because this was my first box, ooh, I got a special, so I got a percentage off of this. So this box could have been, I think it was like originally $53, and I only paid $39. So this was significantly less than $7.99. So coconut oil, and oh, I love these. Okay, so completely in love with these. If you've never tried these before, this is a really great way to lower your carbs. And these are Banza Rotini. It's basically pasta, but it's not made out of wheat. It's made from chickpeas. And it actually tastes legit. Like I put this with Alfredo sauce and broccoli and chicken, and it's amazing. So if you've never tried this, you should. It's just a great way to, again, lower your carbs. So for instance, for like average, like usual pasta, you would have 71 net carbs because with the fiber, they figured that out. And then with Banza, you have a higher amount of protein, higher amount of fiber, which makes the net carbs 48. So if you can, like if you're diabetic, this is a great option. I know for folks who are diabetic and have gout, like my dad, it doesn't do well with them because I think it aggravates his gout when he has chickpeas. But for me, this is great. So I look forward to having this. All right, so next we have the aforementioned coconut flour. And this is Thrive Market's brand. So I figured, oh, this will be fine. I'm sure it'll be great. It's organic coconut flour, so I use this to make muffins. Sometimes I use this to make keto-friendly banana bread, especially for my dad. And for me, because I figure what's good for the goose is good for the gander. So if it's healthy for him, I should try it too. So coconut flour. And then I like to use these in my smoothies. This is the Mama Chia brand organic and non-GMO chia seeds. So this is good. I've tried their Mama Chia chia seed pudding pouches. They're pretty good actually. I got this from Aldi. So I'm a little familiar with the brand. So this will be great. And this is a whole 12 ounce. This is really big. So this is a little bit larger than what I'm usually buying at one time. So this will last me for a little bit. What else do we have? Ooh, look at the way they packed it. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm like, they got all fancy on me. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking it out of these fancy little packing wraps. I like the fact that they don't use styrofoam because that's really bad for the environment. Notice that on the box it says the contents are 100% recyclable. So this is great. So all this stuff that I have here, if I don't reuse it and use it for other packaging on my own, I can simply just put this in the recycling bin and let them take care of it. So that's really cool. I like the way they do that. All right, so we've got the organic elderberry syrup, and I'm fully aware that I probably can make my own, but sometimes you just want it to be made. So this is really cool. So elderberry syrup. And then I've gone ahead and unpacked the rest of this. I use this all the time. Not necessarily for pancakes, but just to make certain ingredients, especially with the tone it up recipes. So we use a lot of these for making like the mini muffins each week for breakfast. Matter of fact, I think I may have used this. I use this for the chickpea muffins. They're called blondie muffins with tone it up, and there's those, and there's like the lemon poppy seed ones that I know you definitely make it with you sweeten it with maple syrup. Anyways, but this is organic maple syrup, non-GMO. This one happens to be a dark color. I really don't care usually what color it is. But as long as it's maple syrup, this is actually bigger than I'm usually getting. I'm usually getting like 5 ounces, so this is good. So I'm excited. So this will last me a long time, and this will be great for the pantry. So again, not just for pancakes, but making and sweetening certain things. So that'll be great. All right, then some more things for the pantry. We have the peppermint essential oil. I've never tried their essential oils, but I do like that they're organic. They're non-GMO. I don't intend on ingesting this internally. This is really meant to, make scrubs or to make some, homemade shower soothers. And then, God forbid, any type of respiratory distress, I can, put a pot of boiling water and then put a few of these in here and breathe in the water there, the hot water. But this is really good. I like this just to open up your pores, to open up your breathing and whatnot. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and try that. I tried to get the lavender, but they were sold out. So I'm sure I know why, because everyone's stressed. Anyways, so then I noticed this was different. I had to, in order to get this, I had to actually get 2 of them. I'm not sure if that's like a regular thing, but that's what I had to do. So I got organic tomato paste. By the time the discount was applied, this was not too bad. This was like 98 cents per one of these, which at Aldi, the organic paste is 89 cents near me. So I got one of those, and then I got another of those. So I have 2 of those. This is really good for when I make veggie beef stew, and I make chili for the winter. So this will be great. All right, friends. Well, that's pretty much it. That's all the things that I ordered for this go around. I'm really excited to be able to put this up in my pantry and organize it and all that good stuff so that I can continue making healthy, delicious, and nutritious meals for myself and become healthier. So anyways, thanks so much for joining me as I unboxed my very first Thrive Market box. So I'm sure this won't be the last. I'm pretty pleased with what I see, especially since I was able to get free shipping on the first box, and I was able to get a discount since it was my first box. I think I got like a 25% discount or something. So that's why I got a little bit more than I normally would. But yeah, I'm excited. So I'm sure there'll be more in the future if I, continue ordering from them. And I like what I see so far. So anyways, friends, thanks for joining the ride. I'll see you later.